In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture and manage receipts in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and tremendously beneficial for keeping your finances organized and up to date. Let's dive into the steps. To begin with, make sure you have your receipt at hand. The first thing you want to do is take an image of your receipt. Now, you can do this using your smartphone or any device with a camera, making it convenient for you to capture receipts wherever you are. Once you've taken a clear picture, you're ready to hop into QuickBooks Online to manage your receipts. In the QuickBooks Online interface, glance over to the left panel on your screen. Here, you will see a section labeled Transactions. This is your destination. Click on Transactions, and you'll notice a few tabs appear. Find and select the tab marked Receipts. This section is dedicated to managing all incoming receipts, providing a one-stop place for all your documentation needs. Now it's time to upload your receipt. Simply click on the Upload button or drag your receipt image into the designated area. If you're using a mobile device, you might have the option to upload directly from your gallery, making this process even more seamless. Once the image of the receipt is successfully uploaded, you'll benefit from one of QuickBooks' smart features, the AI-powered receipt creation tool. This tool is designed to automatically scan your receipt and fill in the necessary details. It's quick, efficient, and a huge time saver. The AI extracts all the transaction specifics like the date, merchant name, and amount, entering them directly into QuickBooks, reducing manual data entry. However, technology isn't perfect, so it's always good practice to double-check the filled information. Review your receipt details to ensure that everything is correct and matches what's on your physical receipt. If you spot any discrepancies, or if the AI wasn't able to capture all the information accurately, no worries. You can manually edit any details right there on the platform, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with the original transaction. And there you have it. That's all you need to do. With these simple steps, capturing and managing receipts in QuickBooks Online becomes a task that's not only painless, but also highly efficient. By keeping your documents organized in this manner, you'll find managing your finances a breeze, all while having accurate records at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your financial management even more straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy accounting!